Hello YouTube followers. First of all, welcome back to my channel Classy Fashion Ideas. I hope all of you are well and doing good. So let's move to the details of this video. In this video, I'm here with you along with a very beautiful, exquisite, stylish, elegant and designer style collection of long, woolen, hand knitted, warm sweater coats, long coats, woolen coats, or you could say overcoats or a fuller coat to give your final look of very amazing and delicate look. So you can wear these coats in every type of season, but you have to take care of the material of the wool. If the temperature is too cold, then you must wear these wool of very thick wool, and if the temperature is delicate to normal, then you can wear these coats made of medium level to thin wool that would provide comfort to maintain your body temperature. And these coats have number of benefits, not only one two but number of benefits. Those benefits could not be counted. First of all, they give a very fine, delicate, classy and gentle type look to all of your dressing sense code. And secondly, these coats are available in a number of varieties, number of stitching style patterns, just like full collar, round necks, crisscross, different styling patterns, open coats with buttons, with hooks, with zipper closings, and you can use these design patterns, these color combination techniques, these styling ideas to make your own long coats that are of pure wool, handmade, knitted with crochet or some other penning instruments that are useful to knit stuffs. I hope you would like the video, and if you like the video, so kindly subscribe our channel if you haven't subscribed yet, and please do visit our channel on daily basis so that you could remain updated with the latest stylish and trendy trends in the fashion world that are specifically related to women fashion. And one more request, kindly do watch our videos till end, and if you like the videos, then just not only like the video but do share our videos in your social circle, that is your social circle, friends, your family, your cousins. And one more request, kindly do add the comments in the comment section so that we could know about your likes, dislikes, and if you want to give us suggestions or opinions, then do give us in the form of comments. We read all of them, and we surely will keep in mind about your suggestions and opinion, and will upload and update our content on our channel according to your likes, dislikes, opinions and suggestions. Thank you, take care, goodbye. I will again come up with a very beautiful, unique and classic collection of some other fashionable and trendy design ideas. Up till then, take care.